Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll be talking about word problems. Is your child scared of solving word problems? If he or she is, then we'll be discussing how you can resolve that issue and why does it even happen. So let us start with why does it happen? And you'll eventually get the answer to how we can resolve it. So the first thing that we have is do not give your child key terms. Key terms restrict them in solving the problem by understanding. They just look for the words and they solve it. They do not even try to understand what the problem is talking about. So do not give them key terms like you just search for the word more to add. If there is the word times that is used, you have to multiply. So do not give such key terms to the child. He or she might even get confused when they are reading the problem because sometimes it is written more and you have to subtract. It is a possibility. So always restrict yourself from giving such key terms to the child. Second thing, if he or she is not able to solve the problem is there are certain words which are being used in the question and not there in the child's vocabulary. So ask them, is there any particular word that you are not able to understand or the whole question? If he or she is not able to understand one or two words, then you can explain that to him or her and then he or she will be able to solve the problem. The third thing that is there is sometimes children don't even read the question because it is time consuming and they do not want to read the question. There is a possibility. At that time, what you can do is you can discuss the question with them verbally. They'll be much comfortable because many a times I have come across these children who are very good in comprehension but still not able to do the word problem. And I got to know that they don't even read the problem and they just look for the key terms and solve it. So that is where they make mistake. Do not let them do that. Just ask them to read the question and then tell you what they have read in the question. Ask them to explain that problem in their own words. So that is what we can do to improve their word problems. And one last thing, never give a problem which is not related to child's life. If the problem is very abstract, they might not be even interested in solving the problem. Even then, if the child is not able to solve a problem, just do one thing. Talk to the child and during that conversation, bring up some questions and ask them to solve it. Do not expect the child to add, subtract or divide or multiply in a particular question. There are problems in which you can solve it in multiple ways. There is not always one process that you can follow to solve a problem. So let the child do whatever they want to do and ask them, you do it whatever you want to do, just solve the problem. I'm not looking for addition, not looking for subtraction. You have full freedom. You do whatever you think is relevant to the question and would give you the answer to the question. And that question must be related to their real life. They must be eager enough to find the answer to the problem. So that is what important when we are doing word problems. If you have used any other strategy, just tell me in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.